Welcome, my dear student. Today we have to differentiate UV form. That means form of the light is y equal to u and v. If there are two numbers or two terms of product at the same times, then it is called the y equal to UV form. In these cases, if you use this identity dy upon dx equal to anyone you have to remove second part you have to differentiate plus again this part which part you have to done at first differentiate you have to leave and second part you have to differentiate. That means my dear students, if there are two terms, it is also function of x, it is also function of x, then you have to differentiate this by using UV form. In this the form, any one part you have to leave and second part you have to differentiate. That means between these two numbers you have to differentiate, you have to leave any one, and second parts you have to differentiate like this. Suppose the first part you have to leave, second part differentiate, next second part leave, first part differentiate, and that is called the UV form. So my students, using this you can solve so many questions like this. Suppose y equal to x cube x 4 minus 2 x square plus 1 power 7. Now using this UV form you can solve like this. dy upon dx equal to, now if you deposit this part, then you get dx cube upon dx, and this part you have to leave 4 minus 2x square plus 1 power 7. Next, you have to leave this part, and second part you have to differentiate x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 power 7 upon d. Since it is the power, you have to write multiply the same numbers on the denominator, and same number you have to multiply on the numerator like this upon dx. Because if any questions you need to show like this x to the power upon dx, then you have to write like this n x to the power n minus 1. That means if the power, if you showed at any power, then this power should come first and 1 minus from the power. Okay, my students. Next, you get differentiate of this part equal to 3 x square. Again, leave this part x to the power 4 minus 2 x square plus 1 power 7. Next, you have to leave this part and differentiate. This part comes first, and x to the power 4 minus 2 x square plus 1 power 6. Now differentiation of this part, when you differentiate, then you get 4x cube minus 4x plus 0. Because when you differentiate, then this part comes first 1 minus, and this part comes first 4x, and differentiation of 1 you get 0, and that is your answer, my dear students. So I think you understand how can you do so many questions like a UV form. Next identity is given by u upon v form. If the question u upon v, that means one part is divided by another parts. In such cases, you have to use this dy upon dx equal to first part you have to denominator you have to leave, and second part you have to differentiate. Next, minus upper part you have to leave, denominator you have to differentiate upon dx, and denominator is square. So using this you can find the questions which are u upon v form. That means, my dear students, if there are u and v, there are two terms, then at first you have to leave the denominators and numerator you have to divide it, differentiate, minus upper part leave, denominator differentiate, and denominator is square. So my students, I think you understand. Suppose the question is given like this, x plus 1 whole square and x plus 2 power 7. Then if you use this identity dy upon dx, then at first leave the denominator, this part you have to leave, and numerator you have to differentiate. Since it is power, same power you have to write denominator into t x plus 1 upon dx. Next, numerator you have to leave, x plus 1 whole square, and this power you have to differentiate dx plus 2 power 7 and this x plus 2 into d x plus 2 upon dx, and denominator is square, that is this part you have to square, then you get x plus 2 power 14. Because squaring this part it is already 7, when I again square then you get how much power 14. So my students, look here, in these cases what you have to do, at first you have to remove the first denominator, numerator you have to differentiate like this, minus numerator you have to leave, denominator you have to differentiate like this, and you get the result like this, x plus 2 power 7, and this part come first, 2 into x plus 1. Next, differentiation of this part equal to 1 plus 0. Because differentiation of x, you get how much? 1. And 0, 1 becomes 0. Next, x plus 1 whole square for this part. And this part come this side. 7 into x plus 2 power 6. Differentiation of 1 plus 0. And denominator is, you have to write like this, x plus 2 power 4, and that is your differentiations, my dear students. So both type of the questions are given in this class. When the question is given by UB form and the questions given by U upon B form, both the questions are provided in this video. So my students, the whole type of the questions you have to do like this. Yes. Suppose by another given example. Suppose the question given 1 upon sin x upon cos 3x. Now you can use this by U upon B form. So finally differentiate using the U upon B form, then dy upon dx equal to numerator you have to leave, differentiation of this part you get cos x, differentiation of this part sin x equal to you get cos x, minus again upper part you have to leave, and differentiate, you have to differentiate the cos 3x upon cos 3x into d 3x upon dx. Next by cos square 3x. So my students, you get how much? Cos square 3x and same to same power 3x and cos x minus sin x, and differentiation of cos x. Differentiation of cos x you get minus sin x to minus minus plus sin 3x, and 3x differentiation of 3x you get how much? 3. Because if any questions, if you show that it is 3x, then denominator also 3x. Because theta should be equal, otherwise you cannot differentiate. So my students, I think you understand these questions. So like these questions are very important and essential for you. Thank you, my dear students.